Now, I will explain the ideal conditions for optimum performance, maintenance, and troubleshootings of benchtop pH meter. 1. Use an ATC probe during measurements for better results. 2. Shows on display means dip the electrode in 3 mkcl solution for 10 minutes. 3. Error shows on display means use fresh buffer solutions 4.01, 7.00, 10.01 pH and check the slope. If the problem persists, replace the electrode and check again. 4. Ensure proper earthing. 5. The power supply should be stable to avoid damage to internal components. 6. During measurements, the electrode should be properly washed with double distilled water and wiped with soft tissue paper. Do not wipe the pH electrode with cotton, as it may polarize the electrode. 7. pH buffers should be changed every 7 to 10 days. 8. When not in use, store the electrode moist in saturated KCl solution. 9. If readings are unstable or the electrode response is slow, dip the electrode in 0.1 NaCl overnight. 10. If the problem persists, before discarding the electrode, A. Dip the electrode in 2% HF solution for only 5 seconds. B. Then dip it in distilled water for 30 minutes and recheck the electrode. 11. Always calibrate the meter when replacing the electrode. 12. Allow enough time for the temperature to stabilize before taking a reading. 13. Rinse the electrode with double distilled water before using it for the next buffer solution or other samples. 14. The shelf life of the 10.01 pH buffer is shorter because the 7.00 and 4.01 pH buffers are more stable with longer shelf lives. 15. At high temperatures, above 50 degrees Celsius, and low temperatures, below 10 degrees Celsius, use the electrode for a short time only, as it affects the life of the pH electrode. Similarly, at high pH, above 12, and low pH, below 2, use the electrode for a short time as it may affect the life of the pH electrode. Thank you.